guy things like boats and guns and onion rings. But household chores need a power resolution. I went to the store and I purchased a solution. I got a pressure washer. I got a pressure washer. I got a pressure washer. I like it a lot, 'cause it makes cleaning destructive. Now I blow away the dirt and obliterate the muck. I pressure wash my fence and my couch and my truck. Nothing's dirty in the house, though things are a little damp. My cat's clean now, even though it's bald. Its fur is in a corner of a neighbor's yard. I got a new kid, but diapers aren't a problem. I pressure washed his butt, he'll never pee on me again. I got a pressure washer.
He likes it a lot.
I got a pressure washer.
He cleaned up the tot.
Sure, I may be squirting water, but in my head I'm a sergeant with a flamethrower spewing out death. I got 2,000 PSI of awesome killing force.
Look out, commies, here comes Mike Rambo with his 50 mil pressure washer. Look at him go.
Jehovah's Witnesses come and shake my hand. I pressure wash their literature and now they understand. I got a pressure washer. Day when I was out pressure washing my lawn, my neighbor came home with a big smile on. He pulled out a brand new gas-powered, turbocharged 90 gauge super mega washer with a DVD drive. Damn it! I need a bigger pressure washer.
He needs a bigger pressure washer.
I need a bigger pressure washer.
He needs a bigger pressure washer.
I need a bigger pressure washer. I need a bigger pressure washer. I need a bigger pressure washer. Or maybe a Hummer.
Under pressure. Pressure.